What's going on, guys? You got Gerard here. We're back and better than ever on the backyard mini ramp. I think every transition skater's dream is to get air. The feeling of the wind on your face, just you, your board, and the sky. But on my ramp, it's 3 foot tall. To get some air, you have to ollie. I never thought in a million years I would actually land a frontside ollie on this ramp, but I started practicing last week. Actually landed a couple, but you know the goal is to get above the coping. So today we're gonna take it in 3 phases, 3 speeds. We're gonna try and do some frontside ollies after doing a kick turn, after doing a tail stall, and then the ultimate goal is to try and do it after dropping in. See if we can get it. Woo! So we didn't get the frontside ollie off the drop in. We got close a couple times, but kept hanging up my back wheels on the coping. Got to pop a little higher, get a little more weight on my front foot, something to make sure they clear. But I did land it off of a tail stall. Before I just been doing kick turns to slow down, get that frontside ollie. Hopefully by the next video, I'm gonna be popping them real high over the coping. That's the goal. We're gonna keep working at it. Till then, see you guys next time.